Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video. Today I'll be discussing Independence Day. 26 March is celebrated Independence Day, which is one of the greatest and most eventful days in the history of Bangladesh. As we step into our 53 years of independence and celebrate our freedom in 2024, you all are congratulated on this glorious occasion. On this day every year, we pay our rich tribute, place wreath to the martyrs at the national monuments at Savar in Dhaka, and we hoist our national flag atop the governmental and educational institutions and other buildings. We also hold a session of prayer for the salvation of the departed souls of the martyrs who sacrificed their life for the country's independence. Now the question is that why is 26 March celebrated as the Independence Day, or how has the 26 March been Independence Day? We know the history that 26 March is celebrated as the Independence Day because the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, officially declared the independence of Bangladesh very soon after the Pakistan army started a brutal and barbaric attack and killed the thousands of civilians on the night of 25 March in 1971. The day marks the beginning of a 9-month-long war of liberation till the victory on 16 December in 1971. Now the question is that what are our achievements and what yet to be? Another question is that what would happen if we did not get the independence? Since the separation from the exploitation and the clutch of Pakistan, we see the political situation of Pakistan totally turmoil and instability. If we look back in 1947, since the separation of Pakistan in 1947, Pakistan had been going through the political unstable situation, and any government, democratic and elected government, can't continue its full terms for the interfere of Pakistan. Bangladesh has greatly progressed in the index of a lot of things and factors, such as political aspect. Pakistan is politically totally unstable. On the other hand, Bangladesh is now politically stable. Furthermore, Pakistan's GDP growth rate, currency rate, inflation, terrorism are much more poorer and lower than those of Bangladesh. After all the success that I mentioned right now, there are many challenges for Bangladesh which Bangladesh is going to be facing in the days to come if the government want to take the Bangladesh a unique height in the map of world. There are some challenges such as economic emancipation, data management, cyber security, corruption, and usage of in-house software or system. To overcome this type of challenges, Bangladesh should give the importance and give the 100% concentration on such elements or factors. This is Bangladesh ensure the accountability, transparency, technical education, quality education, and employment creation, and also the social media management.